Hello everyone, to access this week's assignment number 23, you're going to open up your My Lab Math folder. You're going to go to All Assignments, and then you will look for assignment number 23, Review Quiz, and notice that you have until Sunday to complete it, but please complete it before. We'll be having the Zoom on Wednesday. And there are 43 questions, but you can always save this. It's just an assignment, okay? So even though it says quiz, don't think it's your actual test. You're going to be able to save it and work on it later. So make sure you do it beforehand, screenshot any questions you may have, and also go over the answers and read any of the tutorials that they provide. Okay? Have a wonderful day.